Circle, trades it off for Matt Fratton. Fratton back to Vay, middle of the ice, quick passing, and trying to jam it in on Campbell. Could not quite get a clean shot away. Centered at the last moment. They score. And Mangiapane and Vay able to help out Jankowski right between the circles. 5th goal of the season for him. Down for the Reign. Left wing pass for TJ Hensick. That won't go. Quick little break here for Klimchuk. Tucks it in and scores. But Klimchuk will take the shot himself. His 8th goal of the season. And just like that, it's 2-0 Stockton. This one in far corner. Jamie Devan will take it from there. Trying to walk off that same post. But Jack Campbell will meet with the glove. Left wing Ontario. They'll fire this one right back into the offensive zone. Brodzinski catches a bounce off the back wall. Defenders forgot to take the puck with them and almost dance free. Back down 2-0. Curtis McDermott off a dump in by the Heat. Ends up getting slipped out to the blue line. Wrist shot, they score. 12 seconds into the second period. A shot from the blue line sneaks through and gets past the glove hand of Jack Campbell. And they'll have a break in on Campbell. Backhander coming from Lomberg. And Campbell able to melt it down with the glove and stick. Shot coming. This one from Johnny Brodzinski. Hands this one off to Mike Amadio. Amadio fires, scores! So that'll cut the lead to 2 for the Heat. Here's the goal call.
His 6th of the season, scored by number 19, Mike Amadio.
Lowry into the offensive zone. Holds up just inside the blue line. Demers in the far corner now. Goes across the blue line for Leslie. Lets it go. And a good stick by Mark Jankowski. He'll just bounce, but could not be handled by Hensick. And on the turnaround, here comes Fratton. Fires and scores. Matt Fratton able to steal the puck away out at center ice. And tough outing for the Reign defense. Again, nothing really Jack Campbell can do. He's pretty much been bull rushed. Outside the crease, Smith wants the puck. Lets it go to the blue line for Shillington. He scores. So Smith lets it bypass right to Shillington, who beats Campbell again to the stick side. And it's 5-1 Stockton with 1:33 to go in the second period. And in 93 seconds, we'll see if the Reign may make a goaltending change to begin the third and give Campbell a little time off here. Quick clear by the Heat off the face-off, but the Reign bring it right back in. Here's TJ Hensick to the blue line for Backman. Tip out in front. They score. Michael Mersch with the deflection of the Reign. Grab a power play tally. Just 19 seconds in on the man advantage. It's 5-2 Stockton. Of David Rittich. 7th goal of the year for Mr. Mersch. Stick side, back to the blue line, kept in by Laverty. Right wing circle for Purcell. Snakes the shot in and scores! Teddy Purcell, beautiful shot. Beats the glove side of Rittich. Another power play goal for Ontario. And the Reign cut the lead to 2. And he had some screen traffic out in front. Looked like it had to fire at least through 2 bodies, maybe 3. Just off the mine left wing. TJ Hensick putting it ahead for Purcell. Purcell, wonderful move! Inside out and a backhander. Right pad saved by Rittich. Purcell all over the ice to the blue line for Ledoux. Wrist shot through. Tipped in by Rittich. Loose puck just off the near pad. It's early November. Sam here, the healthy forward, as the Reign off the face-off. Score! Sean Backman able to power it through, and Ontario makes it a 1-goal game with 2:20 to go in the third period. Last night with the game winner, as he got it on the inside of that left circle and just forced it through. Referee had to duck out of the way. Here's TJ Hensick, 5 seconds ago. Fires, pad save, Rittich, rebound, underneath them, and the rebound cleared to the blue line for Ledoux, and that's going to do it. Horn will sound, but the referee may have blown the whistle just before. The Heat will step out on the ice. Reign are wondering where the call and the stoppage in the game clock was. Nobody leaving the ice just yet, but it looks like the referees will honor the game clock, and the Reign just run out of time.